Trade crypto time at gmail.com. I just made $76,000 trade altcoin pumps. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. The whole market's crashing down because the whole markets follow Bitcoin. And Bitcoin costs $66,000. If you go to my Twitter account, I explain to you we still have a lag to go up to 100k before you crash down to possible $15,000. Follow my Twitter account and keep yourself updated about Bitcoin. Now, let's talk about the real money. Why I don't care for Bitcoin? Because you make 10 times more money trade altcoin pumps. This coin right here, Fijo, provide me $22,000 and costs only 2 cents. 2 cents. Smart trade. Let me give you an example how my software find this coin. By calculating volume spike plus buyer power. Fijo, position rank 1041. If you go down, pay attention right here, 7 days before the pump, April 3, the volume of this coin was $11,000, volume pump to $262,000. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm tracking 24/7. Before the pump and price, that is the pre-pump and volume, guys. So this coin right here provide me $22,000. Let me show how this thing happened. I just alert here, Fijo. So remember right here on April 3, this is the big candle of the volume pump. So I shared this trade in the private release on April 8. Before the pump, we bought this coin for almost 1 cent and you put a sell order at 3 cents. We made 200%. I made $22,000. Guys, this is the coins I share in the private release on the last 5 days. We trade Match, Cream Finance, Sum, Suco, Unbited Wallet, Fijo, and Harvest Finance. $76,000 in 5 days. Is that good for you? Let me give you another example. Match. This coin gave me $21,000, guys. And volume today is $10 million. Pay attention, Cream Finance, volume is $52 million. Guys, we trade coin with more volume. Remember, volume spike plus buyer power. Another example right here. Match. Position the rank 452. Let's go down in the charts. The charts don't lie. April 6, the volume of this coin was $587,000. April 8, volume of this coin was 1.6 million. What I just said before the pump and price, that is the pre-pump and volume. You don't see the pre-pump and volume because it's so many coins, it's so many numbers. You need the software to track this volume. That's what I developed. My software alerted me and I shared this trade in the private release. Match made $21,000. Before the pump on April 8, we bought this coin for 18 cents and you put a sell order at 60 cents. We made 227%. I made $21,000. I share all my trades in the private release. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 20% per week, guys. It's a lot of return. Feel free to reach me out. Oh, take a look at this. We are tracking right now 3,000 coins. Pay attention how many coins I share in the private release on the last 5 days. Sorry, on the last 2 weeks. Okay? Feel free to reach me out. I share all my trades in the private release. I'd like to say welcome to our new members, Charles, Daniel, and Matthew, and Lisa. Thanks for your time. Have a beautiful day. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Give me a like this video. Thanks so much.